Is instant coffee bad for you? When it comes to coffee, there are seemingly endless options available. From cold brew to pour over, there is no shortage of ways to enjoy your morning cup of joe. However, one type of coffee that often gets a bad rap is instant coffee. Whether you're a die-hard coffee snob or someone who is just looking to save some time in the morning, you may have wondered, is instant coffee bad for you? In this video, we'll take a closer look at instant coffee and dispel some of the myths surrounding this often maligned beverage. What is instant coffee? Contrary to what its name might suggest, instant coffee is not actually coffee that has been instantly made. Rather, it is coffee that has been brewed and then dehydrated so that all of the water has been removed. This process leaves behind a concentrated powder that can be reconstituted with hot water or milk to create a cup of coffee. There are two main methods that are used to dehydrate coffee: freeze drying and spray drying. With freeze drying, coffee is first brewed and then frozen into pellets. These pellets are then placed in a vacuum chamber where the water is removed. Spray drying is a similar process, but instead of freezing the coffee into pellets, it is sprayed through a hot air chamber where the water is quickly evaporated. Are there any benefits to drinking instant coffee? Surprisingly, there may be some benefits to drinking instant coffee. Instant coffee is often more fortified with vitamins and minerals than regular coffee because the dehydration process does not remove these nutrients. In fact, instant coffee can be a good source of vitamin B3, B2, and B5. In addition, instant coffee has a higher concentration of caffeine than regular coffee. This means that you can get a quick boost of energy from drinking instant coffee without having to drink as much of it. Is instant coffee bad for you? Now that we've dispelled some of the myths surrounding instant coffee, let's take a look at the potential downsides of drinking this type of coffee. One potential downside of instant coffee is that it can be high in acrylamide, a carcinogenic compound that forms when coffee beans are roasted. However, it's important to note that the amount of acrylamide in instant coffee is generally lower than the amount found in regular coffee. In addition, instant coffee often contains additives such as artificial flavors, colors, and sweeteners. These ingredients can be harmful to your health if consumed in large quantities. The bottom line. So, is instant coffee bad for you? The answer is likely no. While there are some potential downsides to drinking instant coffee, these concerns are generally overblown. Instant coffee is a convenient and fast way to enjoy a cup of coffee without having to brew it yourself. Plus, instant coffee can be a good source of vitamins and minerals. Just be sure to check the label for additives before you buy. Do you like to drink instant coffee? What's your favorite brand? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.